guys, it's Nikki and welcome to this week's new release video. I'm so excited to show you guys these. I am obsessed with these kits and I also finally finished our B6 collection, so I'm going to be showing you guys that as well. So I've got two new collections this week, Nautical and Lost, and I'm just so excited. So I'm going to go ahead and get into it. This may be a bit longer than our normal new release videos just because there is some stuff to go through. So I'm going to get started with our B6 kit. So this is designed for, well, for the B6 or really for anybody that just wants some smaller boxes and whatnot. I think these will technically fit in the horizontal, but the bottom washi pieces are designed for B6 inserts, and obviously everybody is using different B6 inserts, so you may need to trim these bottom washi pieces. But I'm going to be doing a plan with me in them, probably going to put that up either later tonight or tomorrow in the Jasenia Printables inserts, just so I can kind of show you guys. But yeah, so this is Nautical, and you guys, how beautiful. I am so obsessed. I do want to mention that the B6 kit version of this is different than the full box version. The full boxes have foil in every single full box. So in the bikini, in the bag. I guess that's it on this one because the starfish isn't in this. This is actually washi. So these are the full boxes. Oh, and the foil. So your quote box says, "Seize the day." I can't, it's so cute. You've got your sailboat here, some starfishes. You've got some waves down here, this little bow where your anchor in the center is foiled. You've got your bag, your bikini, and then this huge anchor here. So you have 7 full boxes. These are sized the same as our newer personal kits were, so they're a good bit shorter. Let me hold it up here. There we go. So they're a good bit shorter than our regular full boxes. I find that personally in the B6, I like a shorter full box so it's not taking up so much space. And watching some other people plan, it seems like that's a pretty common thing that people really prefer a slightly smaller full box. So you've got 7 of those. Over here is some stackable washi. You have 3/4 boxes down on the bottom. So that is your first sheet. Your second sheet is the exact same as the 3rd page in our deluxe kit. So you've got a ton of labels. I don't know what to call these, marquees and half boxes. I find that when I plan in my B6, I like white space, but I like to have a bunch of just half boxes, quarter boxes, anything like that. So I wanted to include the entire sheet of these. There's a bit of a glare from my window right now, and I'm sorry about that, but I'm still figuring out the lighting in here, at least with the foil. So your 3rd sheet has these really cute, these are new, like little quarter box versions. Well, they're tinier than that, I guess, of these labels right here. I don't even know what to call those because those are super small. But you can see that they have some patterns going on in the background, which I thought was cute. You have glitter headers in this kit. You get 7. I've got this sheet. I'm holding it wrong. Let me pull this up. I'm stuck. There we go. You have glitter headers over here, so you'll have 7 of those, 3 today's, 3 to-dos, and a this week. You have a tiny little weekly tracker. This is the same size as your full boxes. Daily tracker, some flags, some 3-heart checklist, and then you've got some little things down at the bottom. And as you can see, I added some little bows in here. I thought that was just super cute. And I wanted to kind of change it up so you had some variety in your icons. So that's the 3rd page. 4th page has your foiled date covers as well as your foiled, one of these is foiled bottom washi. So the tiny bottom washi is going to be glitter, and then the larger pieces, which are still very small, are going to have the foiling in them, and then your date covers have the foil, and then obviously these are all cut like this, not the strips. Then your icons are the cutout version without the circle behind it, and then I switched up our scripts. And these are just plain, like really pretty. So you've got relax, workout, date night, happy meal, payday, errands, sleep in, day off, girls night, and groceries. So that is our B6 kit. I'm sure that this will end up changing a couple of times while I kind of like, you know, get feedback on it and go in and update some things. But I am just totally obsessed with how this turned out. I think it turned out really, really nicely. And I think it's a good amount of stickers for a B6 spread. So that was the Nautical version. Okay, so now I'm going to show you guys the Nautical Deluxe Kit and Mini Kit. Like I said, these full boxes are a bit different. Every single one of these has foil. It was just such a good kit to put foil into that I went ahead and did all of them. So you have your Seize the Day quote, which it's so cute. There's a little anchor in there and a starfish. You have your sailboat, your starfish again, your little foiled anchor in your bow. This bag is foiled, the bikini is foiled, and the starfish is foiled as well. These were really incredibly difficult to get listing photos where you could see every single bit of this foil. Although I don't know if anybody's gonna be upset about there being more foil, I can't talk today, than they thought there was. And I'm hoping that most people will see the Instagram videos that I'll put up where you can really see all of it. But yeah, so these are the full boxes, and then nothing has changed on, well, this is the mini kit apparently. Nothing has changed on the rest of these. So you've got your heart checklist, weekly tracker, bill due, daily tracker, script icons, marquee, regular icons, 2 flags, and then how cute is this weekend banner with the little anchor in it. Next sheet is your little things, headers, and quarter boxes. And technically these aren't quarter boxes, these are a bit bigger, but your next sheet is your bottom washi, your marquees, half boxes, and your regular washi. And how pretty is this? It's like waves, but with the foiling. I love how this turned out so much. This one and the other kit that I'm gonna show you guys, I just love how they turned out. So that was your mini kit. Onto the deluxe, same thing, you get these full boxes. You have your weekend banner, your date numbers, icons, a couple of flags, script icons and deco, what do I want to call these? Weekly trackers, your bill due. You've got your sheet right here with your appointment labels, your marquees, your half boxes. Then you have your little things as well as your headers, your ombre heart checklist, as well as some more flags here, and your daily trackers. And then same thing, you've got your bottom washi, but this does have the foiled date cover strips. Love that so much. Really quickly, I'm gonna grab the glitter headers and the date covers. Okay, so I forgot to grab these from over there before I started. But we will also have the option for your glitter headers. Again, this is the chunkier glitter now, and then your date covers. So those will be available as well. Our next collection is the Lost collection, and I still didn't change it from Emerald. When I was designing this kit, it looked very green on my computer screen, and when I went to do test prints, it is like a teal blue. So I ended up changing the name to Lost, but I obviously forgot to do that on the glitter headers. And then here's your date covers. So I'm gonna get started with the B6 kit again, and you guys, how pretty is this? So you got your quote box up here that says, "Not all who wander are lost." Some foiling in these flowers, this really cute compass. You've got some foiling in the dress that the girl is wearing, the cactus. You've got this really cute hot air balloon. Some foiling in this globe, as well as some foiling in these flowers down here. And again, this is washi. I did glitter for these quarter boxes, and then I'm just gonna kind of flip through this since this is technically the same as the other one I just showed. So you've got this right here. Again, this turned out to be a teal color, and this is a mint color, and then both of these are really like light peachy beiges. And then here is your third sheet. So again, you've got your glitter headers, your little things, some functional items. And then here is the bottom washi and the date covers, and I'm just in love. I love this foiling on this so much. I can't wait to show you guys on the deluxe kit. So here is, I'm trying to see what order I've got these in. Deluxe, okay. So here's your deluxe kit. The full boxes, I believe, between these are exactly the same as far as the foiling goes, except for this box. This one on that is washi, so it isn't foiled. Oh, I love it. I love it so much. So here is your first sheet. You've got this really cute flower in your weekend banner. And I am going to just go ahead and flip through these since they are all the same as the Nautical kit. And then here is your bottom washi and your date covers, and it is just, I am so obsessed. I had a really hard time photographing this one as well, getting all of this little foiling detail that is in the bottom washi, but you guys can see it here, and it is just beautiful. I love it so much. And then your mini kit is same thing as the other. So you've got your full boxes, you have your second sheet here, headers and little things, and then same with the bottom washi. So that is this week's new releases. I hope you guys love them as much as I do. These will be pre-sales. 2 to 3 week processing time, and they will be available on Etsy and Shopify. Make sure to go check our PR girls out to get a code for 15% off, as well as for a special freebie. And what else? They will be up at noon Eastern Standard Time. I'll talk to you guys next time. Bye, guys.